is all around us, even in the room where you are sitting. But it cannot be seen, felt, tasted, or smelled unless it is dirty. We cannot see the air when it is clean, but we can feel the air when it moves, like when the wind blows. We can even hear it when it moves very fast. Activities like kite flying and parachute sailing, working of the windmill are possible with the help of moving air. This moving air is called wind. Now, let us look at what air contains. Air contains dust particles and smoke. Air also contains a lot of very tiny living organisms called germs. These germs are dangerous.
Like us, all living things need air to breathe.
One of the reasons why plants are so important to us is because they produce oxygen while making food. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. So, balance of important gases is maintained in the atmosphere.
We need water to drink, to bath, to cook, to wash our clothes, to water plants, and for so many other reasons. It is true that without water, the plants would die and people and animals would go thirsty. So, children, save every drop of water and don't let it go waste. Water is the most abundant substance present on the earth. In fact, our Earth's 70% surface area is covered with water. Do you know Earth is also called as a blue planet because when seen from the space, it appears blue due to water. Water exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Ice, snow, and frost are examples of water in the solid state. You see liquid water in rivers, lakes, ponds, sea, when it rains, and the water coming out of a tap. Water vapor is a gas in the air. You can't see gas because it is invisible. You will be surprised to know that water makes up 2/3 of the human body. It plays a critical role in regulating body temperature, carries nutrients throughout the body, improves digestion, and eliminates waste from the body. Where does all the water in rain come from? Well, there is always a certain amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. It comes from the Earth's surface water like oceans, rivers, and lakes. The heat of the sun heats up the water from the surface of these reservoirs and changes water from the liquid state to the gaseous state. This is called evaporation. High up in the atmosphere, water vapors cool down and form clouds. This is called condensation. When the water molecules in clouds begin to collect, they form bigger droplets and fall down as rain, snow, or hail, depending upon the temperature. This is called precipitation. Finally, the water reaches the water bodies and gets collected there. Well, you can see water is constantly cycling from land to air and back to land again. This process is known as the water cycle. Therefore, kids, water on our earth will never come to an end. Hey!
Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may start raining in the morning, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny. The weather of a particular place depends on the temperature, the moisture in the air, the pressure of air, the movement of air or wind. Temperature. Temperature is the extent of hotness and coldness of a place. The earth gets heated by the sun. As the sunlight reaches the earth, the land and the seas heat up and warm the atmosphere. This warming up of the atmosphere raises the temperature. Moisture or water vapor is always present in the air. The amount of moisture in the air rises when the sun's heat converts water from the oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes into water vapor. This is the reason why coastal areas get more rainfall than places away from the coast. Air pressure is the weight of air as experienced from all directions on land. When air heats up, it rises and creates an area of low pressure on the Earth's surface. The surrounding cool air moves in to replace this rising air. This air comes from areas where the pressure is high. This movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area causes wind. The wind is sometimes a light, pleasant breeze. At other times, it can be very strong and can cause a storm or a hurricane. Climate. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate of a place depends on its average monthly or yearly temperature, average amount of rainfall or snow. Climate influences the type of food people grow and eat, the type of clothes they wear, the type of homes they live in, the types of plants that grow and animals that can live in the region. Seasons. The seasons of the earth occur because of the rotation of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. There are mainly 3 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, and winter. Summer. From March onwards, it grows hot. March, April, and May are the summer months. Monsoon. From the month of June, rain clouds gather in the sky, bringing rain to most parts of India. The rains continue till the end of September. June, July, August, and September are rainy months. Winter. After the rains, the weather becomes drier and cooler. October, November, December, January, and February are winter months. January is the coldest month. Seasons change in an orderly fashion. This change of seasons from summer to monsoon to winter is called the cycle of seasons.